still takes gold in all power. So, yeah. I'm the last ever through popping. Skating all day, really. So, the 83 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. And if I take some of these, just don't sit. I bet they don't want to wheel. It was just shut down, it was far white down. They call it East Side Bomb Man. When that Afro man walked through the white man, the house is real, you sit. When I was standing on the corner, selling rap CDs, when I let a little girl in jazz, I never got in my day. I didn't know a name was the leader of the group, but we fucked up the day, fucked up the flow. Fuck so long, I grew up looking at her. Then we fucked to the left, fucked to the right. She sucked my dick to the shit hurt. I thought to myself, she got my ass looking like a sea. I put on my clothes and I was on my way. Till my daddy pulled up in a Chevrolet. So I ran, I jumped out the back window. But the daddy, he was laying with him too much. Oh, we beat it to the left, beat it to the right. Motherfucker, put my ass up. But I ain't mad, and I'm back to the dead. That's the best damn pussy I ever had. But I got a bag of weed, a bottle of wine. I'm a fuck that bitch, and fuck. I'm so 45 and 268. Baby, that's how we need it. We go to the club, acting up. Let's smoke that trouble. And the marijuana, we can take our time. Singing everything that song. Stop it, hit the ball like Cheech and Chong. Still takes gold in all power. So, yeah. I'm the right step, I do pop it. Skating all day, yo, yeah, sure. Cadillac Coupe de Ville. In my Texas city, just don't sit. I bet not run will. I met this lady in Hollywood. She had green hair, but damn, she looked good. I took her to my house, cause she was fine when she wouldn't got a dick. You know I met this lady from Japan. She never made love with an African. I fucked her once, I fucked her twice. It's an Asian pussy like Street Fighter. Don't be a lady, that stories I tell you. Met a woman in the heart of Australia. Had a big butt, big titties too. So I hopped in her ass like a cactus. You know I met this woman from Hawaii. Sucking her ass and she said, hey! Her lips was precious, pussy was lush. Get her titties busted open with my Hawaiian butt. I met Colonel Sanders' wife in the state of Kentucky. She said I'm like a chicken, and you just fucked me. I tagged her around, it wasn't a crisis. I gave her my secret and I learned it. But it was so fun, she says, hey, and you know, let's smoke that tumbleweed. And the marijuana better, we can take out to all yeah. They was. I just dropped me in the car like Cheech and Chong. Still takes gold in the all power. So long, go, baby, that's how we need. Yeah, we get up to the club, let's smoke that tumbleweed. And the marijuana, we can take our time. Sing it and play that song. Stop it, hit the ball like Cheech and Chong. Still takes gold in all power. So